In this video, we'll be showing you how to bulk refund an event. If you only wish to refund certain customers, please see the FAQ in the description below. To refund an entire event, you will first need to ensure you have sufficient funds in your Stripe account to cover the refund cost. You can do this via your Stripe dashboard. There is a link to Stripe's FAQ on how to add funds also in the description below. First log in as an administrator. Then click Refund Event from your event management menu for the relevant event. A modal window will appear that will enable you to select products you want to refund. This gives you flexibility to refund individual products should you need to. Select the product or products to be refunded and choose whether you want to refund any fees the customers have paid. If you do refund fees, then your organisation is liable for them as they have already been taken by Stripe and PTA Events. Please read the information shown on how fees are proportionately refunded. Then click the Preview Refunds button to see who should be refunded and how much. If you are happy with the refunds, click the Queue Refunds button. This won't refund anything immediately. They are sent to a queue which is processed in the background. Please note that this cannot be undone. You will be notified once all refunds have been completed. And that's it, you now know how to bulk refund an event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.